In this video, I'm going to show you how I would fill out and do research on my chosen specific ballot initiative from yesterday. So first step here, step one, is you got to focus your research. You got to remember or choose which specific ballot initiative you are going to be doing research on. And so again, you should have picked this yesterday. At the bottom for your exit ticket, you should have chosen one of these 5 proposed ballot initiatives. But let's say, for example, I wanted to talk about this one. Proposition 114, reintroduction of gray wolves on public lands. I think that's interesting. So I'm going to copy that. And for step 1, I'm going to paste that just to show that that is what I'm going to be actually writing about. So put that there, unbold and underline it, make it just look regular. But now I know what I'm talking about. So step 2 is finding an argument for. Why would someone vote yes on this? I need to find a specific source and a summary of why people would do this. So I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to type in first Colorado. And hey, because there's lots of other ones. Colorado, and then Proposition 114. I've searched it before. So Colorado, followed by the name of your specific initiative. And you'll see lots of topics. Some that are clearly for, saying yes. Some that are saying kind of maybe no. What's Colorado's Proposition 114, breaking it down both sides of the issues. So what you need to do is kind of find one source that describes why people would be for this, and one source that shows why people would be against it. So let's look at this first one here. This looks like one that's giving me both sides of the issue. So what I want to do is read through this. It looks like they're giving me mostly a lot of background information to start. But then I'm looking for things like people that are voting yes. I recognize the words proponents. That's somebody that is for something. So proponents argue returning wolves offers the chance to restore balance to Colorado's ecosystem, pointing to Yellowstone as a main example. Prior to reintroductions, elks overgrazed riverbanks, leaving little material left for other animals. The return of wolves coincided with the regrowth of aspens and willows. An explosion of biodiversity quickly followed. So it seems like this argument here is giving me a reason why people would vote yes, that it's going to help the animals and plants and bring back biodiversity. So I'm going to say I'm going to use this source. So I'll copy and paste the URL into here so I can go back and find it. And then next, I have to summarize this. So looking at the source title, this is from Colorado Public Radio, CPR News. So I would say, according to CPR News, people should vote yes on Proposition 114 because, and then I would just kind of quote there or summarize it, saying it will increase biodiversity, and then I can just copy and paste and quote some stuff here. So say, argue returning wolves, and I can just copy and paste this. So go back and show. And then maybe I just want to put this all back to 12. But there we go. This shows me that the main argument for this initiative is because of environmental concerns. That's why someone would vote yes. Then I want to go back and I could narrow my search and say no on Colorado Proposition 114. Why would someone vote no?